In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to provide GoDaddy delegate access. If you need to let someone help manage your GoDaddy account without giving them your login details, delegate access is the safest and easiest option. It allows another person to work on specific areas of your account based on the permission level you choose, while you stay in control the entire time. To begin, open the GoDaddy website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one website or domain. Once you're logged in, go to your Profile section. This is where you'll find account-related options and settings. From your profile area, click on My Products. This page shows the domains, hosting, and other services connected to your account. Look for the domain or product you want to work with, then click DNS. This will take you to the DNS management area, where many important domain settings are stored. Once you're in the DNS section, click DNS again if needed to fully open the management view for that domain. Depending on the layout GoDaddy is showing you, this extra click may be required to get into the correct screen. Take a moment to make sure you're on the page where you can manage settings for that domain. Next, look to the left-hand side and click Settings. Inside this area, you'll find the option for Delegate Access. When you click it, GoDaddy may first ask you to verify your identity. This is a normal security step designed to protect your account. If a verification code is sent to you, simply enter the code to continue. After verification, click Invite Access. You'll then be asked to enter the other person's name and email address. Be careful to type the email correctly, since that's where the invitation will be sent. You'll also need to select an access level. Choose the permission level that matches what that person needs to do. It's always a good idea to give only the level of access necessary, so your account remains as secure as possible. Once everything is filled out, click Invite. GoDaddy will send the invitation, and the other person can accept it to gain access based on the permissions you selected. And that's it. You've successfully provided GoDaddy delegate access without sharing your password or full account login. This is a much safer way to collaborate when someone needs to help manage your domain or account settings.